Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing great. Today I've got an amazing economy tip for you so you won't need to spend money at the pharmacy anymore. For this recipe, we're going to need an onion. I'm using a purple onion, but you can use any type you have. First, cut the onion in half. If you enjoy natural remedies like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button below so you never miss out on any future videos. Next, take a container and a grater and we're going to grate 1/2 of the onion. It doesn't matter which container you use. Let's start grating. I've been using this remedy for a while, and since then, I've stopped spending money at the pharmacy. You can remove the onion skin if you want, but I prefer to grate it with the skin on for extra nutrients. Once you're done grating, you'll have something like this. Now grab a strainer or a napkin and a spoon. Pour the grated onion into the strainer, and in another container, press the onion to extract all the juice. Squeeze well to get as much juice out as possible. You can also use a coffee filter or a cloth just like I'm using. Now for the next ingredients. You'll need 5 bay leaves. You can find bay leaves at any health food store. We're going to break them up. Whether they're fresh or dried doesn't matter. Both work the same. By the way, let me know in the comments where you're watching this video from. Today, I'm sending a special shout out to all of Poland and Germany. Next, we're going to add cloves, the same ones you use in the kitchen. Now, take 100 ml of coconut oil or olive oil, whichever you prefer, and heat it in the microwave for 1 minute. After that minute, take a small container, preferably one with a lid. Use a sieve to filter everything we just made into this container. And there you have it, our amazing natural remedy is ready. You might be wondering, Josiah, how do I use this? If you suffer from varicose veins, those painful, swollen veins in your legs, here's what you do. Once a day, dip your fingers into this mixture and apply it directly to the affected area. Massage it gently. After massaging, take some plastic wrap and cover the area for about an hour. After that hour, remove the wrap, and you'll notice your varicose veins improving. This is an incredibly effective natural remedy for varicose veins. Give it a try today and see the results for yourself. It's all organic and natural, so it won't cause any harm. It's only packed with good things for your body. It's a powerful natural anti-inflammatory for varicose veins. Thanks for watching, take care, and see you in the next video. God bless and goodbye.